Hey guys, Chica here, and today, I'm still alive. Depressing, I know. But anyway, uh, we're gonna be reacting to, a GoldenLane animation. Super cool, I know. Don't ask why I don't sound like a girl, and don't ask me about my eyes. I don't even know. Have the toy makers, the bootleg toy makers. But anyway, that doesn't matter. Is that right? Whatever your name is, I forgot. Go away. Fine. Anyway, so I'm really looking forward to reacting to this because I haven't been in the video for ages. So, let's watch. Okay. This is all about me, I think.
Hey everyone, this is Roman, the director of this short film. Me and my team always try to create high quality and full-fledged content. But sometimes we really want to share with you some work-in-progress stuff or short announcements. This is why I want to remind you that we started to create...
we'll skip the amino matter, amino. Okay, so let us watch the animation. It's very dark too. Okay. It might bother me. I might have to shoot the curtains. It might help. I don't know. Just wait a minute. Where did it go? There. Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I think it did. Okay, it's me. What am I gonna do right now? Why did my merchandise so bad? Okay, what am I up to? Okay, where am I going? Oh no. Run. What was she running from, yo? Oh, what am I running from? Okay. This is very interesting. How long did you have to like? How long do you have left? It doesn't matter, I'm gonna watch it. What is she running from? What am I running from? Ow. I'm wasted. Well, what do you think about this? Shut up, Cupcake. Well, he would ask me what I thought of it. No, it's really good. Someone kill me. I'm really sad. Oh, wanna die. No, you don't. Yes, I do. I'm stuck onto your hand. That is awful. Oh, what's that? What's that? Okay. So I'm running quite a lot in this animation. Is that Minecraft chicken noises? Don't ask me how I know that. I totally don't play Minecraft. Hello. I don't know I did that. Anyway. Oh, that nightmare foxes. Oh, killed Freddy and my friends. How sad. Anyway, I think that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.